Hello everybody and welcome back to Manifest with Finesse on YouTube. My name is Manifesting Gaia. That is my Twitter, TikTok, podcast, and Instagram. All the links are down below. And my Master Manifestation workshop is down below. And today I'm going to be doing a rampage for social media growth, social media fame. This was requested. Y'all want followers. Y'all want to gain a platform. Y'all want to get paid. Whatever you want, this is for you. Your account has grown, has skyrocketed. Everybody follows you. Everybody loves the things that you post. You gain so much traction. You go viral every single day. Every single thing that you post goes viral. All of your posts do so well. You get paid so much online. You are a pro at posting. You are a pro content creator, influencer. You are making money just by being you. You make money just for existing. You make money just for being creative. You always have ideas. You never run out of ideas. You always have the right things to say. People are hanging on to your every word, to your every post. People love you. People cannot wait to see what you post next. Everybody has your post notifications on. It is so easy for you to gain a following on social media. Every single thing that you post does well. You never worry about a post not doing well because all of your posts do well because you are magnetic. You are such a magnet for followers. You are such a magnet for views. You are such a magnet for likes. You are such a magnet for shares. Everything you post just goes viral and does well, and people cannot get enough. You are the best in your niche. You are the best at what you do. There's nobody that makes content like you. Your content is one of a kind. Your content is the content that everybody wants to see, everybody wants to follow, everybody wants to be a part of. You have such a loving and supportive community. People really love you. People really talk about you. People really share you. People always talk about you in such high regard because you have the best content on the platform that you're in. You are the most followed on the platform that you're on. You are the most followed in the niche that you're in. You are the number one in the niche that you do. Every time somebody talks about your specific category, your name is always brought up as number one. You are number one. You are number one in everybody's mind and everybody's heart. The algorithm loves you. The algorithm always pushes out your content. You have something that people need, and that's why you attract people, is because you have a one-of-a-kind home in your content. You are the best in your niche. You are the best in your category. You're the best at everything. You are the best manifester. You manifest followers so easily. You manifest likes so easily. You manifest subscribers so easily. You manifest such a loyal base. You manifest such a loyal support base. You manifest such a loyal fan base. You are recognized everywhere that you go. People just love you. No matter what people are doing, eating, sleeping, at the gym, at work, they have your content. They're reading your content. They're watching your content. They're listening to your content. They're buying your content. Oh my goodness. You are so good at what you do. There is nobody like you. You are so special. You are so good at what you do. You are talented. You are creative. You are amazing. Your ideas are original. Your content is original. You are what everybody needs. You are what the internet needs. You are who everybody has been waiting for. You are the creator of your generation. You are the best creator of your generation. You are the best creator of your lifetime. You're a legend. You are legendary. Your name will never be forgotten. Your name will always be praised. You are so good at what you do. You deserve all of it. You deserve all the likes. You deserve all the followers. You deserve all the fame. You deserve all the shares. Your content is nothing this world has ever seen before. You are so good. You deserve it. You are worthy of it. It is safe for you to receive it. It is safe for you to have a big following. It is safe for you to have likes. It is safe for you to make money doing what you love. It is safe. It is safe. It is safe. You deserve it. You're worthy. You get paid large amounts. Brands just want to sponsor you. People just want to subscribe to you. People just pay you just for having amazing content. Everybody loves what you do. You're compensated for what you do. You are compensated largely for what you do. You deserve an easy and stress-free life. You love making content. You love coming up with ideas. You love your fan base. You love that everything always goes perfectly for you. You love going viral. You love seeing the numbers go up and up every single day. That's how it should be. That's how it works for you. It's meant to be that way. It was always supposed to be easy. It was always supposed to be fast. It was always supposed to be perfect. It is perfect for you now because you said so. You are the number one in the entire world, on the entire internet. You are number one at what you do. You are number one at everything that you do. Congratulations. You are the best. You are the most viral, fastest growing content creator online. Everything you post goes viral. If you're an artist, your music goes viral. If you're an influencer, your posts go viral. If you're a blogger, if you're a tweeter, if you're a podcaster, no matter what you do, you could do anything in the world you wanted to and it would go big because you are the best in the entire world. And with that being said, that is all I have for you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, you can have anything you want in this universe. Nothing's too big, small, wide, or expensive. I believe in you. You should believe in you. And I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.